Can you day trade after 4 p.m.? Can you day trade after 5 p.m.? Can you day trade after hours? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. So the short answer is yes, some platforms allow you to trade after hours. You can trade on some platforms after 4 p.m., after 5 p.m., after hours, but not all trading platforms allow for after hours trading. The stock market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Some platforms allow trading until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This is called after hours trading. Prices can move differently after hours, so just bear that in mind. Fewer people trade, so it's riskier to be trading after hours. Robinhood and Weibo do allow after hours trading, so if you want to try that one out, you can trade after hours with Robinhood and Weibo. Cash App does not allow after hours trading. If you're going to trade crypto, you can trade crypto 24/7. There is no closing time, so you can day trade after 4 p.m., after 5 p.m., or after hours. So just remember that after hours trades, if you're going to be trading stocks and the sort that require the stock market to be open, your orders may not fill very quickly because there are no people active at that time. So you should be careful about trading late, trading after 4 p.m., after 5 p.m., or trading after hours.